Alright guys, now I'm going to show you a very powerful case study that I ran not too long ago in the dog niche, precisely the pug breed, and consequently I'm going to show you some of my advanced Facebook targeting strategies that I generally implement for physical products to sell any type of e-commerce products. So first off, where did I find the Pug in a Mug physical dog product? I found this product via watchcount.com, and I just typed in Pug Mug. I wanted to find some products, some cool products, and here it is. This is the product that I found, which was pretty cool. It was a sweet pug face print on a mug, which watchcount, like I explained in my course, is an amazing website to find super inexpensive stuff. So this is the product that I have set up in my store, my Shopify store, and the procedure is explained exactly in my course, and also in many other case studies. So I'm not going to show you again now, but I'm going to show you exactly what I've done to sell this product. What I have done basically to sell the product is that I have set up a Facebook ad to promote it. Okay, so now how did I target this product? To sell the product, I have set up a Facebook ad to promote it, like I mentioned, and I will show you how I sold it by using some advanced Facebook targeting settings, which are absolutely great to sell physical products, any type of e-commerce products, services, or any other things and offers in various niches out there. So how did I target this product? The target here that I found in my ad was people who own pugs. Okay, the goal was to sell a pug mug or other pug related items. The general interests I have used pug. Then the audience size was over 1 million people. Okay, 100,000. So which is absolutely not good. You don't want those large audiences. Okay, like I have explained you in my course. Go back in case you need some clarification, but because yeah, the size was enormous, and you don't want that. Okay, you want targeted audiences. So what I've done basically to sell this product on my store, the $1 million question, right? It's pretty simple, and I'm going to disclose my strategies with you right now. Simply, I have used more precise targeting options, okay, to jumpstart my campaign. I targeted people with general interest, pug, but I narrowed it down with purchase behaviors of dog products. Okay, so basically, general interest, okay, pug, and then I narrow it down to behaviors, purchase behaviors, pet products, dog products. Okay, so now my total audience size was 220,000 people, which is pretty good from 1 million to 200,000. So many of the purchase behaviors for pet products are similar. Okay, you need to test the various settings in different ads to see exactly which one works best for your specific niche. I used dog products, the setting in the example, but you can test the other 4 that I've listed here as well. Dog food and products, dog owners, pet care products, pet products. So my Facebook ad looked like this. I used 2 ad sets, desktop and mobile. The total ad spend was for this product 1,383. Post engagement for the ad were 142, 3,337. Ad reach was 248,000. Frequency 155. Average cost per post engagement 4 cents. Okay, so now the targeting. Like I said, I narrowed the audience down to 220,000. I targeted the group, the age group 21-64, people speaking English, females. In this case, I wanted to target females. The placements were on newsfeed on for mobile devices. As interest for my targeting, I used pugs. I love pugs. Pugs Lovers, I Love My Pugs, Duke the Pug, Pug Dog Lovers, and many others that I didn't list because I have also run other type of ads. But anyway, these were my main ones. The final ad looked exactly like this. Size, like I said, 220,000. Location, United States. These were all my interests. Age 21-64. Placements on newsfeed on mobile devices. The ad spend for this campaign was 1,303. The revenue from this campaign was 3,828, and the total profit was 2,445. Like I said, I always like to share everything with you so you can see exactly my numbers. And that's it for this case study, and I'll talk to you in the next one.